Hello and welcome back to another Other video. Today we are going to be taking a look at the European model, as right now we're still in this little quiet spot in terms of precipitation and severe threats and winter weather. Just kind of a real lull in activity right now. But that will change toward the end of this week. So currently we're watching this cold front move through, and throughout the day today we will see that move off the coast. Now after that we could see a little bit of snow in the interior northeast, but not a huge deal there. But starting Wednesday, Thursday time frame, we could see a new low pressure system leak out into the Great Plains and produce some thunderstorms around Kansas City. And eventually all of that starts to make its way further south as this next system comes into play and we get that line of thunderstorms starting to ramp up. I think the worst of the severe threat will be pretty far north, as we can see here: Iowa, Missouri, Illinois. But we do have a secondary severe threat here in parts of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, and that continues as another low pressure forms into the northeast, where a little nor'easter action occurs there, followed by yet another Iowa, Missouri, Kansas, Illinois, Wisconsin severe threat behind that. So it seems like the time frame from the end of this week to the end of next week is fairly active in terms of severe weather and potential for tornadoes, hail, strong winds. I think next week, the next 8 to 10 days, will be more active than the last 4 or 5 days. So that is something that we need to start to look out for. I will continue to cover it, so stay tuned here by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss any weather updates. But that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.